How to fix Google login error on Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Google's login error on Play Store. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix the Google login error on your Play Store, so if you're not being able to log in on the Play Store app for some reason. Now, the first thing we want to check is if our internet is working just fine. Very basic thing. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. Now, simply open up settings on your Android phone and just go to apps. And here you can go to app management. And here you can first of all search for Play Store. So go to Google Play Store over here, which will take you to its app info page. And from the storage, clear cache and make sure to clear the data of Google Play Store. And after you've done that, you can try to tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side. If it came as a system app, you'll find the option called Uninstall Updates. Make sure to uninstall the updates for Google Play Store. Once you've done that, repeat the same process for another system app called Google Play Services. Go to Google Play Services, same step, clear cache, clear data. And once you've done that, tap the three dots and uninstall the updates. Now, after you've done that, simply open up your Play Store. It will prompt you to sign in. And once you're signed in, you'll be signed into it successfully. After that, you can tap your profile and go to settings, go to about, and go to update Play Store to update your Play Store to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.